Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, don't mind my eyebrows. I'm trying something different. Trying to figure out if I want to do something different. So, anyway, today we are doing what's in my bag. So, I know a lot of us haven't been going out a lot. I went out maybe a week and a half ago or so. I went to the doctor, and this is my bag. I love this bag. I love this bag. This is my Givenchy Antigona bag, and let's open it up to see what I have in here. I haven't opened it since maybe a week and a half ago. So let's do it. The little one is right here, of course. So let's see what's in my bag. All right. Okay, number one, my e-pass thing. My e-pass thing for my car. I didn't leave it out in the car because, well, we're not in the car a lot. So in Florida, we have tolls. And so I got one of those to just, you don't have to use the quarters, you know, or have cash on you. I have my sunglasses. I love these sunglasses. I feel super like Jackie O and very cool. Yeah, I love these sunglasses. Let's see. I have my Disney band. I have my Disney band. Yeah, I miss going to Disney. Oh, how many of these do I have in here? Okay, I have hair ties. I have different hair ties, silk ones and cotton ones and hair ties. In the event a hair tie breaks, I remember I was at Disney, I had two pigtails and one of my hair ties broke and I didn't have another one. And I'm looking through Disney to find ones to retie my hair back up with. Yeah. Let's see. I have some cash in here. Okay, I have some cash in here. I have the strap to the purse. So with the baby, I find that when we take the stroller out and take her out to the doctor or whatever it may be, and we may stop by a store or whatever, that my purse, I can't just throw it in the bottom of the stroller, that I prefer the purse like this. But if I have to put it over my back or put it over my shoulder, then I'll have this with me so that if I need to do that. I have my phone. Let's see. I have mail, which I didn't realize. Okay. Doesn't look like anything important. Seems like I checked the mail and just did not take it out of my purse. I have a little card holder. I have a compact. I always need like tissue to blow my nose or something of that nature. It's the worst when you don't have it, you know? So I have tissue to blow my nose with, or anyone else. I have a pouch full of like cards in here. Like, this is definitely from Seattle, like QFC and yeah, my AAA card. Yeah. I'm still looking for a wallet to get with this purse. I have a pen. I should probably not have that open when this is tan interior. Or have this, you know, I should. Hey, sweetie. Yeah, you're doing good. I have some lip sleek, Chantecaille and Flamingo. So this must have been what I was wearing that day, because I normally drop it in the purse. I have some Carmex. I have an eyeglass cleaner for my sunglasses. Oh, there you go, sweetie. Oh, and that's it. That's all I got in my purse. But that is what I have in my purse. I thought it was a fun thing to do, especially since I hadn't opened my purse in a week and a half and during quarantine. Like, what do you have in your purse? I normally would have some hand lotion. I'm surprised I don't have any hand lotion in there, but probably because I haven't been taking it out and we go one place, which is taking her to the doctor and then coming back home. So yeah, that was fun and quick. I will see you guys next time. Bye.